Alright, so I looked up the VIN on it. It's actually an '05 CR125. But I couldn't just let it go to waste. So what we're going to do is strip it down, get it ready for glassing cabinet, get this all cleaned up, looking nice so that somebody can use it. If you guys have a need for this or know someone that needs it, again, it's an '05 CR125. Hit me up in the comments and we might do a little giveaway on it once it's done.
We've offended the CEO of OnlyFans. He's tired of calling it porn. To people, he's like, we're a site that hosts adult content, but we also host a variety of other content, such as yoga instruction, video creators eating breakfast, eggs, all kinds of stupid stuff. But really, the majority of people substance. You do realize that, right? So, you're making millions of dollars off it, so are you really offended? You could stop it. All right, fine. Stop it. Go on your website. Just say, all over the world. James Coyle continues this weekend. Get up to 5 years special financing with 0 down. And get a king-size Serta hybrid mattress for the clean price. Power Base upgrade starting at $99. Save up to 50% off refrigerators from top brands. And get select dryers half price for the purchase of a matching washer. The weekday sale is Tuesday at Sandy's Superstore.
Every day, Cintas service reps help businesses get ready for the workday. Freshly laundered workwear delivered every week. Bags, mops, restroom and cleaning supplies. First aid and safety products to help your employees
Yeah,
stay safe. They even test and inspect fire extinguishers.
that's pretty bad.
Cintas helps keep your business running smoothly. See what Cintas can do for you. Visit Cintas.com.
Talking with his caddy, they're pulling the goalie. He skates off the lead. Catches off his puck. They bundle their home and auto insurance with Progressive. Touchdown, save it, Murray, goal. Progressive Insurance Agents and affiliates and other insurers not available in most states or situations. On the News Just Now, we made the classics classic. The legendary Rock 105.
I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these bolts back in, some of these frame holes. As we open them up for when we do the vapor blasting. That one does not want to come off. Wow. Those are actually coming out surprisingly easy. I figured I'd have to beat the hell out of them and heat them. Shit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a pretty nasty cut right there on the shaft. We might be able to get that out. Save this shot, put a new bumper on it.
Scared for you, of course, they'll be here March 30th over at the Coliseum along with ZZ Top and Blackstone Cherry. Looking forward to that show. Cookies, Thin Mints, without a doubt, are my favorite. They now have Thin Mint pancakes that have landed in. The green color, I'm worried that that could be fun. Looks like they're available for first through the 31st, so they're available for the month of March is the way I should have said that. The cream, well, I don't not very often, but if you want Thin Mint pancakes, they have landed. You are now informed. That was the James Addiction, Rocker 5.
Okay, true story from Huntington customers with Bobby.
So, tell us what happened, Bobby.
When my wife passed away, she did all the finances, she took care of everything. Needed all the help in the world.
And how did your banker help?
I didn't expect all the help I got last year. It was much needed.
Get more than money from your bank. Welcome to Huntington. Real people compensated for true stories.
I'm Chili Walker from Rockford 5. Let's talk about Optimum. Everyone likes a good combo, right? Optimum Internet. Combo, speed, and reliability. Speeds up to what's happened before. I mean, this day is someone's using the internet every day, right? So why don't you connect? How about Optimum Mobile? Optimum Mobile is the perfect combo of America's largest and fastest. This way, you get the reliability you need at home and on the go. So check it out. Combination is Optimum Complete. Get both internet and mobile for one simple transfer price and save big. Deal.
Nothing cuts me Loctite like the Milwaukee.
Find out how you can choose your own gift up to $100 when you make the switch to Optimum. Visit the Charles.
All right.
5707 McCorkle Ave.
She's stripped down. We'll get her cleaned up a little bit more. Get her vapor blasted, and we'll have a frame, swing arm, and subframe, and linkage for somebody.
This one's called Don't Tell Me. Rockford 5.
Alright, we got some work to do on that. Get these bearings out. Boy, that's looking pretty good. Wow. It wasn't horrible. A little warm. Alright, plugged all the bolt holes, put some stuff in there, get that cleaned out, but the swing arm is ready for vapor blasting. Let's see what we can do with this linkage.
So this being an adult thing is nearly as much fun as and Progressive loves sports money, so we bundled them together. 2 seconds left on the clock, third field goal range, and it looks like he's going to go with a 5-iron. No wait, the They bundle their home and auto insurance with Progressive. Touchdown savings, Birdie goal.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company, affiliates, and other insurers. Not available in all states or situations.
Big Sandy Superstore's Leap Day sale continues this weekend. Get up to 5 years special financing with 0 down. And get a king-size Serta hybrid mattress for the queen price. For the free $8.99. And get LED dryers half price with the purchase of a matching washer. The Leap Day sale. It's Tuesday at Big Sandy Superstore. Attention all homeowners. Do you know when to replace your windows? Being too hot or cold? Expensive energy that literally goes out the window. Finally time to replace. If you put off replacing windows in your home, now
Get one 40% off. Just text front to 200.
Mostly mud. Still a little bit of bearing left.
Portable windows or patio doors for $0 down. 0 payments and 0 interest. That's right. You don't have a dime for an entire year. Plus, buy one window or door and get one 40% off. And right now, save an extra $200 off your entire purchase. Text front to 200 300 right now. Text front to 200 300. Don't wait. Text the word front to 200 300. Text front to 200 300.
Rock 105 is online at WKLZ.com.
We both lie silently still in the dead of the night. Although we both lie close together, we feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said, something I did? Did my words not come out right? No, I tried. No, I tried.
Yeah. All right. That one's out. What's left of it? For an 05, these could have been a whole lot worse. don't know why I'm trying to do that left-handed. Bearings everywhere. That one actually wasn't rusted completely out. Alright, that part of the linkage is cleared. Keep that spacer. Now these have a lip on the inside, so they'll have to be pushed through, which is going to be fun. We'll see what this bearing puller can do with it. A little heat always helps. There we go. Smell it burning now.
We'll give you a chance to rock it. Up Sunday night, 7 o'clock, 2 hours of the Hairbands. You know we love it. If you forgot about it. Hosted by none other than Dee Snider of Princesses Pride. You gotta love that. You'll definitely keep it. Again, it's the House of Hair, Sunday nights at 7. It's all presented by Menards. Save big money at Menards.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack, but not with ZipRecruiter. Its powerful technology actively finds and invites qualified candidates to apply to your job. So while other companies might deliver a lot of pay, ZipRecruiter finds you the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter have a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
At Progressive, we love sports and saving you money, so we bundled them together.
2 seconds left on the clock to field goal range, and it looks like he's going to go with a 5-iron. No, wait. The quarterback is skating back on the ice. He's talking with his caddy. They're pulling the goalie. He skates off the fairway after the off his puck. It's a breakaway. They put their home run insurance with Progressive. Touchdown, save it, money goal.
Another insurance not available in all states or situations.
No matter how large or small your digging project may be, no matter how urban or rural, you must always call 811 before any digging project. 811 is our national one-call number, alerting your local utility companies to come out and mark any lines they have near your dig site. So before you do this, make sure you do this. Digging projects, big or small, make the call to 811, sponsored by Common Ground Alliance. Made from fresh installed.
Stay there and cool down a little bit. Alright, you guys see the lip inside there I was talking about? That's why they gotta come out the side. You can't push them through. Not worried about scratching that up because we'll grind all this off and clean it up anyway.